Very good morning all of you. In the previous video, as we have already completed the chapter number 5. In that chapter, we have already studied about the fundamental concepts and different looping statements, iteration control statements, and it's a lot of concepts as we have covered in chapter number 5. So as each and every topic just we have covered in chapter number 5, introduction to C++, as we have gave the basic idea about the C++ and the concepts related with the C++ also we have studied in the chapter number 5, and we have studied the different conditional statements and iteration control statements also already we have covered. So now we have completed our chapter number 5 and we have already taken the basic examples, like little simple examples also on the basis of the C++ programming, and little complex or like little tough program also we have written. So many examples based on each and every statement as we have already covered, as we have already taken. So that was the completion of our chapter number 5. Today we are going to start a very interesting topic, that is introduction to Java using BlueJ, and this is the chapter number 6. From a very interesting note, just we are going to start the chapter number 6. In this chapter, we will have the basic idea about the Java programming, and Java programming is according to our syllabus, according to our book, Java programming is associated with the BlueJ. As all of you have heard the name of Java programming, means why Java programming becomes so popular, and these days so much demands are there in the market for Java programming. Most of the developments are getting happen with the use of Java programming, because as we have already given a small introduction about the Java, this is based on internet application. So most of the applications who is getting developed day by day on the basis of the Java programming by the use of the platform of Java programming language, and the internet based applications are developed with the use of the Java programming. And Java programming means most of the programs are being supported by the mobile applications, and that all applications are being written by the use of Java programming. So in this chapter we have to get an idea about the introduction of Java using the BlueJ. So first of all we will see what is BlueJ and why we are using the BlueJ. Actually BlueJ is nothing but it's a development environment that is used to develop a Java program very fastly and quickly and very easily. Actually BlueJ is nothing but it's a program development environment, and which will get develop the program very easily and quickly with the help of BlueJ software. As all of you know that Java programs are little complex, little tough to get and basic concepts, to observe the basic concepts of the Java program. But for academics, that BlueJ program which is being developed for the use of the Java program development, and that program is used through the BlueJ, which will develop the program very easily and quickly. Means why do we prefer that BlueJ? Actually, BlueJ having some features and characteristics. By Java programmer or any programmer, if they will prefer to that BlueJ using the Java program to write any program, so that BlueJ having some features. So then what that BlueJ features are, like BlueJ programs or BlueJ having, it is simple and it is interactive and portable. So why that BlueJ software it is used? Because BlueJ is a very smaller software and it is very simple interface. So in the simple sense means it is very small and it having the simple interface. Due to that reason, that the programmer will prefer that BlueJ, and interactive means it will be get, or BlueJ will give the permission to interact with objects. Actually, in this BlueJ environment, that BlueJ interface it will give the flexibility to interact with the objects very easily, and portable means it will be supported on any platform, or like Windows, Mac OS or Linux and other platforms on which the different Java softwares are get run. That BlueJ is also run on any platform. So it is means user friendly, you can say. It is, so due to that reason, that BlueJ software or BlueJ environment, IDE development environment, that is simple, interactive and portable. It can run on any platform like Windows or any operating system. That BlueJ programs, with the help of that BlueJ, any Java programs will be run very easily and very efficiently. Actually, now we will get some idea means who has developed that BlueJ program and when it was being developed. In the year of in the late 90s, I think it's long back only, that Michael Coley was a researcher and he has developed the BlueJ. He has developed one pedagogical language and environment. Actually, he has developed, Michael Coley. It was researcher or it was a student. During his PhD work only he has developed that BlueJ, and BlueJ is a port of Blue to Java, and when that BlueJ software, BlueJ interface was developed, first of all, it was developed in the year of 1999, and Sun Microsystem and Oracle support that BlueJ software with the use of that Java programming. So since long back, that Sun Microsystem and that Oracle Corporation, actually they were supporting, till now also they are supporting that BlueJ software with the use of that Java software. So first of all, as we have get an idea about means when that BlueJ software is developed, and so who has developed that BlueJ software and why BlueJ software is used. As already we have seen, already we have discussed about the different features of a BlueJ. So when we start that BlueJ, and BlueJ is nothing but it is a integrated development environment, IDE. Actually it's an environment where we can execute, we can develop on application, we can develop on software with the help of that integrated development environment, with the help of that BlueJ software. It will support it like how that Java software on the basis of the Java applications, on the basis of the Java software, we can develop one application, we can write some program or code like that only with the use of that BlueJ IDE environment, means integrated development environment. With the use of that BlueJ, we can also develop one software. And means what that BlueJ having the features, you can say, having the means it's a editor where you can write your idea, means IDE integrated with development environment. It's an editor on which that programmer or user write their code, write their program, and it is a debugger also, we can say. By using that IDE environment, they can make some correction, they can find the errors also, they can make some correction also, and it is a viewer also. So suppose on that environment, on that IDE, just programmer writes some code, and that programmer can view, that programmer can see means what code he has written on the IDE environment, and it is easy to run. And that on that IDE means integrated development environment BlueJ, it can execute or it can make some modification to or make some Java programs execution very easily, and it is easy to view some documentation. On BlueJ, we can easily perform the documentation work also. So what function, what work we can perform in the Java software, Java application, the same thing we can perform in BlueJ also. Same process, same thing is what you will get there, same thing you will get on BlueJ also. So as we have already made some comparison, so why that Java environment or why that BlueJ? It's almost all similar. Means what functionality just we are performing there, what operations just we are performing on Java software, the same thing also we are performing in BlueJ integrated development environment also. So these all are the basic history, or we can say the basic idea about the BlueJ. Why BlueJ is used? What are the basic features? What are the basic features of the BlueJ? And now we will see some characteristics of the BlueJ also. So first characteristics that BlueJ have, that is write once, run anywhere. Once that programmer or user have written some code on that BlueJ software, BlueJ editor, BlueJ text editor, it will be get executed in any text editor also. In anywhere it can be executed. So this is the characteristics of the BlueJ. And lightweight code means what? That user is writing some code of Java programming code with the help of that BlueJ. Means its code is so simple, it's not so complex. So its weight means you can say weight in the sense it is so simple. Any new users or any developers, any programmers can understand very easily. And security, as far as concerned of security, if we will see the BlueJ program, we have that programmer have written the same security that Java developers or Java programmer also they have written. The same that security is concerned that BlueJ programs is so secure, so strong also you can say. And built-in graphics in that BlueJ software, that BlueJ software means inbuilt graphics features have been added in that BlueJ applications, and user can use that graphics, use that applications very easily. Means whenever he requires, okay, this feature while writing some code, he needs to use these features very easily, he can use that code. So these all are the characteristics of the BlueJ. Almost all similar characteristics means what that actual that Java programmer or Java language means that features they are supporting, they are providing the same features, same things that we are also performing here. Means that BlueJ software also, it is robust software you can say. Security concerned you can see it is more secure. So these all are the basic characteristics of the BlueJ software. And BlueJ, about the BlueJ means who has developed, everything that we have discussed in this basics of the chapter number 5. Okay, thank you.